Hello everyone, this is Shreya. In this video I am going to explain about questions related to probability. So let's see them. There is a bag and inside that there are 4 fair coins and 3 unfair coins, and the question that they are asking is this one, that is there are 4 fair coins and 3 unfair coins, and for unfair coins they are given the probability of head equal to 1 by 3 and probability of tail equal to 2 by 3. Because we already know for fair coins probability of head and tail equals to 1 by 2, therefore they are separately given the probability of head and tail for unfair coins, because unfair coins definitely not give the fair results, that's why they given it separately. And the question that they are asking is that we take a coin and flip it, what is the probability that we get head? So for this question we can either flip fair coin and flip it and we may get head, or we can either flip unfair coin and flip it and we may get head. So combination of both probability will be probability that they are asking. So we can write it like this, that is probability of getting head equals to probability that we flip fair coin into probability that we get head given that we flipped fair coin, plus probability that we flip unfair coin into probability that we get head given that we flipped unfair coin. Now there are total 4 fair coins and total number of coins is 7. So probability that we flip fair coins equal to 4 by 7. Therefore we are writing here 4 by 7, and probability that we get head given that we flipped fair coins is 1 by 2. Therefore we are writing here, and probability that we flip unfair coin. Here total number of unfair coin is 3 and total number of coins in this bag is 7. Therefore probability that we flip unfair coins become 3 by 7, and probability that we get head given that we already flipped unfair coin equals to 1 by 3. This is already given, that's why we are writing it here. So here we got the answer. And now the next question that they are asking is that choose 2 coin randomly and flip it, then probability we get head and head. Here we are flipping 1 coin and now they are saying that we are flipping 2 coins. So we can either flip both coins as fair coin, or we may flip 2 unfair coin, or we may flip 1 fair coin and 1 unfair coin. So combination of all those probability become the probability that they are asking. Means these questions are related to total probability. If you don't know about total probability, make sure you watch the previous video. You can find it out from upper right corner. So here we can write it like this, that is probability that we flip 2 fair coins into probability that we get head given that we flipped 2 fair coins, plus probability that we flip 2 unfair coins into probability that we get head and head given that we already flipped 2 unfair coins, plus probability that we flip 1 fair coin and 1 unfair coin into probability that we get head given that we flipped 1 fair coin and 1 unfair coin. Now there are total 4 fair coins, and among these 4 fair coins we need to select 2 fair coins. So number of ways we can select 2 fair coins among these 4 coins become 4c2, and total number of coins here is 7. So number of ways we can select 2 coins become 7c2. So probability that we get we flip 2 fair coins become 4c2 upon 7c2. That's why we are writing it here. And probability that we get head given that we flip fair coin becomes 1 by 2. And similarly here 1 by 2 also, because we are flipping 2 coins and both coins are fair coin, and they are saying that we get head in both times. Therefore we are writing here 1 by 2 into 1 by 2. Now probability that we flip 1 unfair coin and again we are flipping 1 unfair coin. So there are total 3 unfair coins. On number of ways we flip 2 unfair coins among these 3 unfair coins is 3c2. There are total 3 unfair coins, and we need to select 2 unfair coins among these 3 among these 3 unfair coins. So number of ways we can do it, it becomes 3c2, and total number of coins here is 7, and we need to select 2 coins among them, so we can arrange them in 7c2 ways. Therefore we are writing 3c2 upon 7c2 here. And probability that we get head, given that we already flipped unfair coin, is 1 by 3. This is already given in question. Now probability that we get we flip 1 fair coin and 1 unfair coin. There are total 4 fair coins, and number of ways we select 1 among them is 4c1. Therefore we are writing here 4c1. And there are total 3 unfair coins, and number of ways we select 1 unfair among them is 3c1. Therefore we are writing here. And total we are selecting 2 coins among total sample space, means among total 7 coins. Therefore we are writing here 7c2. And probability that we get head, given that we flipped a fair coin, is 1 by 2, and probability that we get head, given that we flipped unfair coin, is 1 by 3. Therefore we are writing it here. That's how we solve this type of question. Hope you understand it. Thank you for watching this video. If you find this video useful, make sure you hit the like button and subscribe to this channel for more such contents, and stay connected with me. Thank you all.